Hi, I'm Chris Lubkemann. Seems like I've been whittling forever, but maybe not forever, but for an awful long time. And I've had the fun of writing a bunch of books on carving or whittling, and they're published by Fox Chapel Publishing. And today what we're going to do is carve flowers. I'm going to show you how to do a simple little flower. This is going to be a flower. This is a flower blank. Here's a little piece of birch twig. Now this one here, I've gone ahead and taken the bark off. Well, I'll do it on this one too. Take the bark off. All right, and now we're going to make little down cuts. My thumb is separated from the knife like this. It's resting on this thumb here. And I do a little down cut. Down, twist, down, twist some more, down, down. Just using the front quarter inch of the knife, not using the back part of the blade. Just keep going around. Try to make them more or less the same length. Okay, now looks like we can go around again. Depending on the thickness of the branch. If it's a real thin branch, you can usually just do one time around. If you have a thicker one like this one, you can do maybe twice around. Keep going, and this little center core is going to get thinner and thinner. Okay, now we'll just twist that, and that'll come out. Okay, now there's the flower, but now we want to make the stem and two leaves. I just have the knife in my four fingers here, and I'm basically just going like this. So don't worry about my thumb. My thumb is in good shape. Okay, there's the stem. I'm going to make one little leaf like that. Now let's make another one there. And then we'll pick the flower. Now to paint this thing, here's something that's very important to remember. Now these little curls, they're very stiff right now. And if you want to paint them, let me get, here's some flowers that are painted. There's a purple one, a yellow one, and a little red one. And they're painted with acrylic paints. However, I had to do something with them before I painted them with the acrylic paints. Because if you paint one of these little curls or these little leaves here with an acrylic paint, which is water-based, it will close the leaf, it'll close the flower, it'll mess it up. So what you have to do is take a little bit of super glue, like this, and wet the flower with super glue, and that'll petrify it. And then if you use the acrylic paints, they won't affect it that much. Make sure you get the leaf too. Now if you use oil-based paints, you don't have to do this at all. Let's do some curls here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of water on them. And you'll see what happens to this little flower. Let me see if I can squeeze out a few drops of water here. Okay, now let's watch that. See it going up? It's closing up. And that's what'll happen with acrylic paint. So don't paint the flowers with acrylic paint unless you put super glue on them first, or else use an enamel, an oil-based enamel. Okay, so we'll see you next time, and we'll show you some more fun things that you can do with this little knife here.